Sincerely speaking, I do not regret it.
David, I can attest to that. But it's quite unfortunate that I do not like how your name is being mentioned in all nooks and crannies in my palace. So I've decided to give you this money. I want to relieve you of your duties for now. I will call you back when I deem it fit. Come and take the money and leave.
Your Highness, thank you very much. I appreciate the gesture.
My friend, take this money and get out.
Can I at least see him off?
You will do no such thing.
Why?
You are spared from joining him. Because you're royalty.
I'll leave now and stay in touch. Thank you very much. Stay in touch, my princess.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.